In this video, I am going to show you how to scan and connect to Wi-Fi's QR code. Find and launch the scanner app. Swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar and open the status bar. Look for the QR code or scan icon. If not presented, you can add it by tapping on Edit Tiles and dragging the scan icon to the list of unused tiles. Now, you can either scan it via that feature or just head to your Wi-Fi settings and you will see a Wi-Fi scanner icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then frame the QR code within the camera viewfinder and wait for it to process. Once the scan is complete, it will take you to a result page. Tap on the connect icon at the bottom of the display. Your smartphone will then be successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.